Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got an exclusive product review for you, the Scrub Daddy Scrub Mommy Dish Scrubber and Non-Scratch Cleaning Sponges. These dual-sided sponges are perfect for all your cleaning needs in the kitchen, bathroom, and on multi-surfaces. The Scrub Mommy takes traditional kitchen sponges to the next level with her unique dual-sided design. The flex texture foam on one side changes based on water temperature, making it soft in warm water and firm in cool water. On the other side, the spongy Resofoam helps create a soapy lather for wiping up spills. Not only are these sponges scratch-free, but they are also safe to use on over a dozen different surfaces, including glass, stainless steel, and non-stick coatings. Plus, they are odor-resistant and dishwasher safe. These multi-purpose sponges can be used for washing dishes, cleaning utensils, furniture, sneakers, and more. They are also designed ergonomically to fit comfortably in your hand, providing a good grip and coverage for efficient cleaning. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your hands on the Scrub Daddy Scrub Mommy Dish Scrubber and Non-Scratch Cleaning Sponges today. Trust me, your kitchen won't be complete without this cute and functional dish scrubber sponge. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive product reviews and recommendations. Happy cleaning!